because now this will be white. And then I have white again. So what do I do with that? Okay, so let's see how I put these pieces in the center. So I will do that. I'll put like a teardrop shape in the center, and I'll start working with this shape again. So here I have it. And now I have white up against white again, don't I, right here. So I guess what I'll have to do is put a little black in here. So maybe I'll just put a little triangle in here of black, just to separate the black and the white. And that's the good thing about art, because if you make a mistake, and this is even more decorative than that side, so that's cool. And if you make a mistake, one thing in art is you can always fix it, which is great. And I keep working, black and white and black and white, and I separate the shapes. Now, once I do that, I won't finish this now because I don't want to waste any more time. You can do that on your own. Once I'm done with that, you pick two colors. I picked an aqua and a pink, but you can pick a green and an orange, or a red and a yellow, or a blue and whatever color you want, purple, whatever two colors you want. Try to pick out something that complements each other, that looks good with each other. And you know how to do that. We've done that many, many times. So what I do next is I outline the butterfly. And what I did was, first I did it with my pencil. I took my pencil and I drew the outline of the butterfly. And I used about a ½ inch, but you can do it however you like. So I went around it, I outlined the butterfly, and I did all of this. Then I took this, the antennas, and I outlined the antennas. And then I went around again with my pencil first, and I kept doing the outline of the butterfly. When I got to this part here, so I tried to keep it even, I just was able to fit it in here, but I couldn't go around down here. So I just stopped right down here. And the other side went the same way. So I did the pink, I did the aqua, I did the pink again, and then I had to stop here. I just did the little piece here in the pink. Then I went into the blue, and I couldn't even go totally around, so I just went here, down to here. Then I took the pink, I just curved it a little bit, and I did the blue. And I did this all around the paper. And so that's all you have to do with your colors. And you pick your colors however you want. Up here where the antenna is, I used my pencil and I just followed the shape of the antenna. But what I did was, because here was pink, I used the blue just up to here. And why? Because there's blue right here. And then I took the pink and I continued it. So that's how you do your color. Pick your two colors, how you want to do it. You don't have to fill it in with the color. So you can use it in the white and just use your colors around it, your two colors. Now we get to the frame. The frame should be all in black and white. And I just did plain stripes in black and white. And then my corners, I kind of angled them like into a V. I didn't continue this around because I wanted to show you how you can do this. You've got your outline of your black, and you can do whatever design you want in your frame. If you want circles, black and white circles, do that. If you want to do black and white squares, you can do black and white squares. So you just do whatever design you feel you'd like to do. That's your fun part of it. That's how you're decorating it. And this should your whole frame should be in black and white. So once again, let's repeat this a little bit. we make our frame, and you can use your ruler. Now, if you don't have a ruler at home, just take a thicker piece of paper or your folder or your binder and use your paper just to make your line. So at least it's somewhat straight and it's not all crooked, because we don't want it curvy like this. We want to keep this part of our design, the curvy part. This we want our straight part, just like a picture frame. And so we're going to do it like this, okay? And the whole frame should be black and white. Your butterfly is black and white. And the only two colors you see is the outline of the butterfly. It's easy. It shouldn't be hard for you. Do your name here or here. But if it's black and white, you might want to do it here or here. With your grade. Always do your name on the bottom like an artist, not on the top. Because artists always sign their work on the bottom of their artwork. So wherever you want to put it, that's fine. So this is our project, our butterfly. I'm going to repeat how you do the pattern in case you came in late, or you can always see it again. You can fold your paper. That's how I did this. You fold your paper in half. You cut out you draw a half a butterfly. Because once you draw this on the paper, then you can put in this part, your antennas. And that's easy. That's like just doing a J. And so that's an easy part of doing it. And that's kind of what I do. So I did that, and then I just drew this shape with 2 dots. And then I went around with the color. Then you do your frame. This shouldn't take you long. It's an easy project. It's fun, and you have a nice little black and white piece with just a little bit of accent color. Next week, we'll start with an artist series where we'll do, we did this for 2 weeks now, so you get a concept, or 3, well, this is our 3rd class, really, and we'll start with an artist series. And so that'll be something else. I will pick something that you can practice your shading with, and with your color pencils, how you do. And you remember doing pastels when we did dark, and then we smudged it to be lighter. And we did it with the black and white trees also. So we'll work in color. I'll pick some object, and we'll learn how to shade with our color pencils, and probably be 2 or 3 objects so that you can see the gradation of shading in it. So I will find an artist that does that type of work, and we'll do something on his level, and we'll learn a little bit about that artist and what he did in his life and his time. So hope you enjoyed the class. I'll see you next week. Regards to your parents, and have a great day. Bye.